Hello everybody, I am Asaduzzaman Biswas. Today I came again to have a discussion on CSS. Today I'd like to discuss about CSS Drop Down Menu. And that means I will create a drop down menu, and by creating it I will show you how can we make it. Okay, so let us do it. First I will make a menu, then I will make drop down menu. Oh sorry, it will not be div. I will make in unordered list, and this unordered list will contain all the menu. Okay, let us give it an ID. What ID should I give? Normally everybody give the menu ID nav, so we give it ID nav. Now inside this we will create list items. Let us create list item. Okay, now inside this list item, what should we write? Menu 1. This one is your menu 2. This one is menu 3. Okay, now let us make it a menu using CSS. So I will write some CSS code. So on the CSS code I will write inside this style tag. Okay, so first what I will do, one thing, that is I will convert the unordered list into a menu. So what can I do first? Firstly, I will remove the black circle at the left side of the menu item. Okay, so what I will do, work on UL. Inside this UL there is list item, and from this list item I will remove the black circle. So what should I write? I should use this property list style type equal to none. Okay, so let us see the black circle from the left of each list item removed or not. So I will save it and will go to output. Okay, great. Look, there is no black circle at the left of any menu item. Great. Now this menu item is aligned vertically, we will align it horizontally. So what we will do here, we can write this float left. Okay, now let us save and see what we got. Look, these menu items are now aligned horizontally, but there is no space in between the menu items, so we should create it. How we can create? Oh, one thing here, I will have to make hyperlink, because this is menu, so whenever we will click on menu it will go to somewhere, right? So I will make hyperlink here. Great, so let's do copy paste this anchor tag. I will do copy and will paste here, and will paste here, and also this one. Okay, now we will make distance between this text item within the hyperlink of each list items. So what we write here, we can write here padding, how much, 10, 20, whatever you like. Okay, I can give a 20 pixel padding of each hyperlink of each list item. So let us see what the output we got. Okay, great, distance is made. Now there is a underline in each of the menu. So to remove this menu item, what we will write? Text decoration. We use this property text decoration none. Alright. Now let us check what we got here. No, there is no underline now, right? So now what we will do? Now what we'll do, we'll give some background behind background color. So what we'll write here, background, let us give some color. Which color should we give? Suppose this is the color. Okay, now let us see what the output we got now. Look, we got a color just behind the menu. Now what should we do? We should give a white width of each list item. So we can give a width here. How much? We can give it 200 pixel. Okay, save and go to output. Oh no, oh sorry, width is not here. Width will be width of the list item, right? So let us check what we got now. Okay, I will go to output. Okay, this is the width, right? Now the text should be in the middle of each menu. So what should we write? Text line. It should be in center. Okay. Now if I save it and go to output, look. Oh no, this is not centered yet. So text align or change like this. I will have to write it here inside this list item. Okay. Okay, now save it and go to output. Okay, so these are not middle, right? Okay. Now what should we do now? We should now we can give border at the right side of each menu. So what should we write? Border right. Where is border right? This one. Okay. Suppose this is 1 pixel thick, solid, and the color is black. Okay. Okay, great. So let us say when go to output, we got border dot. We got the border, right? Now, suppose normally we make a menu. Now we will make a drop down menu. On which, suppose if we take mouse over this menu to this menu, that is menu to menu. In that case, we will get the drop down, means another list item will be displayed. So let us make that list item. So what we will write here, another list. Okay, another list, and inside this another list, let us write down the list item. Okay, copy, do paste here. Okay, now this is you write down something here. Submenu 1, let me do copy and paste in the list item. Okay, this is submenu 2 and this is submenu right 3, right? So we will save it now and we will go to output. Look, we are getting the submenu, but by default it should not be displayed. When it will be displayed, when we will take the mouse over menu 2 item, menu 2, right? So we will have to hide it. By default, we will have to hide it. So what we can do over here, we can write this nav means this evil. Inside this evil, if there is any list item, and inside the list item, if there is any unordered list, that unordered list will be hidden. That means you have to write display value of display is none, means it will not be displayed. Okay, so if I go to output, look now the submenu is not displayed. When it will be displayed, when we will take mouse over it. So we will have to write down some CSS code here. Inside nav there is inside nav there is li, and if we take mouse over it, means over. In that case, if that list item contains any unordered list, that unordered list will be displayed as block. Right? Now if we save it and go to output and take our mouse, it's not coming. Means obviously I did some mistake. Let us check what mistake I over, not over, into over. Okay, now if I save it, go to output, take mouse. Now whenever I am taking mouse, I am getting the submenu. We should make it hyperlink because this is menu. So obviously if we click on here or here or here, we should go to somewhere, right? So it should be hyperlink. It should be hyperlink. Okay, now if I go to output, save it and go to output, take your mouse, look, we are getting the submenu, drop down menu, right? This is your drop down menu. Whenever we are taking the mouse, we are getting this drop down menu, and when we are taking the mouse outside of it, then it is being out, right? So this is your drop down menu. Now you can do any design on your sub menus as you like, but this is the concept of sub menu. So if you have any question, feel free to ask me through comments. Obviously I will give you reply, and subscribe my channel. I will come with more and more discussions on CSS in my future tutorials, so join with my discussions. So for this, goodbye everybody.